When it comes to energizing and riveting suspense in games, nothing surpasses horror. Few genres have the power to grip the players so tightly, to immerse them so completely in a world filled with dread and uncertainty. In the early days, horror in gaming was dominated by giants like Capcom and Konami. Franchises like Resident Evil and Silent Hill redefined what fear could look and feel like. These were polished experiences with high production values and unforgettable sound design. But the last decade has shown us something unexpected. Indie developers have emerged as a creative force that can no longer be ignored, unbound by the expectations of large publishers. Indie studios have taken horror to deeply personal, psychological levels. Titles like Speechless, The Exit 8, Iron Lung, and Fear and Hunger have captivated audiences worldwide, not by relying on big budgets, but through clever design, minimalistic environments, and an overwhelming sense of unease. These games prove that fear isn't just about jump scares or grotesque creatures. It's about atmosphere. It's about what you don't see. It's about what you feel crawling beneath the surface. Indie horror games often leave more questions than answers. The ambiguity of an undefined and barely visible threat is far more terrifying than seeing a monster clearly and in high resolution. Our minds fill in the gaps with far worse horrors than any artist could render. They turn technical limitations into strengths. They manipulate light, space, and sound to create psychological labyrinths.
The day of the crime, the father went to the trunk of his car, retrieved the rifle, and shot his wife as she was cleaning up the kitchen after lunch.
Where the player questions not just what's in the room, but what's in their own mind. This is where a new wave of horror is thriving. A wave defined by introspection, discomfort, and emotional depth. A genre reborn, not in the hands of massive studios, but in the dimly lit rooms of small teams with big ideas. And the most terrifying part? They're just getting started. If you like this kind of content, please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.